Hi viewers, Amarnath Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, today's tidbit, the essential element of winning, the management of one's emotion. That inability to manage themselves leads to poor risk management and losses. So in last tidbits also we saw that the emotion is a weapon. So if doesn't know how to manage the emotions, it will leads to poor risk management, that again leads to the loss. That's what I come to say. Now we go to the video. Before going to the video, disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so whatever I am speaking here is my views for educational purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That would be always good. Now we will go to the video. So usually we will see the our market first, then lastly we will see the US market, because our market yesterday was holiday and we passed two US session. So first we will see the US session, then we will go to our market. So if you see the last session, the Dow Jones 489 points, 1.43 point positive closure, very huge bullishness. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, the broad market index, that is 84 point closed positively, 1.91 points. So this is last session. Even last session also it closed mild bullishness. So these two sessions impact we realized today. Our market also today it was a very super bullish. So before moving on to the chart, if you see the all UK market and European market also opening positively and trading positively today. So that also give a boost to our Indian market. Now we will see the US market chart. We will see at the last. Now we will go to our statistics. So today 231 point Nifty positive closure at 19,675. So the top gainers, if you see, the top gainers, Eicher Motor 5.34%, Techum 3.77, Hindalco 3.72, Infi 2.80, Tata Motor 2.79%. Similarly, top losers, Bajaj Finance minus 1.95%, Power Grid minus 1.08, IndusInd Bank minus 0.97, Data Redis minus 0.09, Cipla minus 0.04%. So totally 2,565 stocks traded. In that 1,536 stocks ended positively, 926 stocks ended negatively, 103 stocks prices unchanged. And one of the very positive optimism, we can say that 145 stocks touched the upper circuit limit today, and only 46 stocks touched the lower circuit. So this ratio was quite poor in the last video. We will saw that, but today it has given very much optimism. Similarly, if you see the 196 stocks ended touched the 52-week high, and only 14 stocks touched the 52-week low. So this also very super bullish today. So altogether Nifty closed very much positively today, 2931 points. So who is the best contributor in terms of the top two best contributor? We will see that. So today Reliance contributed 32 points to the Nifty and Infosys 31.28 points. So almost equally positive contribution. Similarly, the negative contribution, Bajaj Finance minus 8.75 points and Power Grid minus 2.39 points negative contribution. And this 231 point, who is the major supporter? If you see the IT sector, almost 800 points, it is just 800, so 800 point it positively closed at 2.59%. So this given the very boost up to our Nifty today. And similarly, all the mid and small micro cap index also very much positive today. So the FII data, until recording this video, their data doesn't come. So anyway, we are giving the previous days data for your reference. So this month so far, the FII 7,604 crores net selling and DIA 6,552 crores net buying. So almost is closely offset the negativity. Similarly, we will see that month wise data for your reference. You can pause this place and have a glance and continue the video. So now we will see the Nifty chart. So Nifty previous close is 19,443. So if you see the opening itself around 200 points is a gap up. So it exactly maintained that gap, it never break that gap you've seen. So it is completely in the bullish side. That at the end of the market again it gave a rally of around 50 points from this portion. So the today Nifty very super bullish, 231 points at positively closure. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, but it couldn't able to exactly replicate the Nifty movement because it's sectoral index. For Nifty, the IT not on other sectors supported, so that is the difference. So if you see the Bank Nifty, the previous close is 43,891 and opening is 44,398, almost 400 points it positively gap up. From that it is gradually had come down. But if you see after this around 11 o'clock on rest of the market, it hardly moved just 70 points. So it was very much boring the Bank Nifty, almost entire day we can say. So this about intraday. Now we will see the day chart for the trend. So first we will see the Nifty. So we keep said that 19,600 is the resistance and it has to close decisive closer to move further. So similarly exactly had happened. So it closed above the resistance at 19,677. Yeah, we can say it's a decisive close. But anyway, this was a very good rally. So there would be some pullback again. It will rally. There are possibilities. So, so the next immediate support, earlier we said that 18,800, now after breaking this resistance we can say that 19,200 is the support, immediate support. So the immediate resistance would be this 19,800. So this will be immediate resistance. This is all about Nifty. Now we will see the Bank Nifty. So we keep saying 41,000 was the resistance, it broke and decisive close had happened. So now previously we said that 42,000 is the support. Now after this above close that resistance, now 43,000, this zone if you see it traded many times. So this zone will act as a support, immediate support. The next resistance would be 45,000. If you see the every round figure of 1,000 points, 42,000, 43,000, you can see a good level of trademark there, in psychological effect also there. So every 1,000 point round figure, 1,000 point, that act as a support and resistance from the current position. So with that sense, the 45,000 it acts as immediate resistance, and this is at resistance level. So the next support would be 43,000. So this is all about Bank Nifty. So we cannot judge the market only large cap. So we have to see mid, small and micro cap. So now we will look that. Yes. So mid and small 400 in is 137 point positive closure, almost 1%. Similarly, if you see the micro index, 221 point positive closure. So if you see that mid and small 400 index, we keep said that 14,000 was the resistance, it already closed it. Now it moving towards the all-time high side. So today it broke that previous all-time high and recorded the new all-time high today. So today the all-time high today high is 14,557. The previous all-time high is 14,524. So it break the previous high. So we keep said that there are a lot of possibilities it will break the previous high. So it closed break the previous high. Now today it made a new all-time high. Similarly, micro cap index also made a new all-time high and very good in bullishness. So these two index, the mid and small 400 and micro cap, so this index is giving very big very good optimism. But at the same time, remember that so always the movement will again retrace to the EMA. So with that sense, so you see this a huge gap and both the indexes. So there would be some pullback even in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So there will be a pullback, then again it may rally. So now we will see the US market chart. Yes, see the gap, the previous session it had a very good gap. How we made today, it had a gap last session, and very super bullish it has closed. The previous session also it is positive closure. So these two positive closure reflected in our market today. Nifty and Bank Nifty give a very good positive closure. Similarly, if you the broad market index, the similar pattern of Dow Jones. So again we have to remember that, see the gap from the EMA on both the index. So there would be some minor pullback. We can say that's mean reversion, then it may rally. So this is what US market also. So I hope this video will be informative to you. Please do subscribe, like and share it to your friends. Wish you all the best. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.